In this video, I will be talking about Bitcoin and my predictions, what personally is going to be happening right now, because Bitcoin is at the end of a consolidation phase and we will be choosing a massive direction anytime soon. And I will be talking exactly about my price targets and much more, because yeah, we're still forming a bull flag here on the market. I will be talking about my weekend predictions. I will be talking about the most important level of resistance currently flipping into support, and much more here on today's update video. So make sure to slap up that like button. And on the previous upload, we smashed it up to 550 likes. Can we smash it up to 600 likes today? That will be absolutely amazing. And also, thank you so much for smashing it up to 85,000 subscribers. Let's get towards that 100k as soon as possible. So smash up the like button and let's jump right away in towards the content. And let me start off with discussing my weekend predictions. So looking at Bitcoin right now, we can clearly see once again over the course of the weekend, we formed the CME close, and the CME close price is on the 21.7k. So what are we expecting over the course of the weekend? We're expecting that the 21.7k level is going to be acting as a magnet all over the course of the weekend. So like we're currently, if we're trading below it, we're expecting we're going to come back up towards this level. If we're trading above it, we're expecting that we're going to come down again. So once I am going to be experiencing a significant pump over the course of the weekend, in case it does happen, I will be definitely close a majority of my long positions, because yeah, currently I am still in a long position, but over the course of the weekend there could be a lot of fake outs, etc. So I will be definitely take some significant profits as soon as if we are going to be experiencing a pump over the course of the weekend, of course. So more importantly, I will be still look at this bull flag scenario as a valid scenario to look at right now. You can clearly also see, okay, we are still forming an upward sloping support line from here on as well, and this is really suggesting, okay, if we really want to be looking bullish here on the market, we have to be really break above this this resistance line right here on the market, because otherwise we're going to be breaking this upward sloping support line, and that is actually going to be quite worse for the price action right now. So yeah, bull flag scenario, of course, I've been talking about it yesterday as well. The bull flag currently on the market has not officially broken out yet, and we could be looking for a significant target all the way back up here towards levels around the 24,000 US dollars. So yeah, these are very significant price targets, but more importantly, I think the real focus on the market right now should be laying on the 1 hour time frame and looking at the symmetrical triangle, right? So you can clearly see on this level, there's so much significance. We can clearly see on the top side, we've been providing resistance a lot, already for like 5 times in a row here. And on the lower side as well, we've been providing support for over 4 times in a row as well. So yeah, this is the most important pattern to look at right now. Bitcoin is just consolidating sideways. And of course, after we had an initial run up towards the upside, and right now we're creating a consolidation phase, it is only more likely to expect another continuation towards the upside, right? Because this is a continuation consolidation pattern, and since we right now created that move towards the upside initially, it is going to be only more likely to assume that we're even going to see a continuation from here on. So yeah, I am actually quite excited about this price action right now, what we're currently spotting here in the market, and I'm absolutely looking forward towards where we could be heading towards. And I will be once again approach this as well as a trading opportunity as soon as we do break this downslope resistance line. I personally think that could be, of course, a signal that we're going to see some massive volatility back towards higher levels again on the market. As long as we're not breaking above it, definitely very bearish. If we do break below this lower side of support, also very bearish. What are the targets I will be aiming for? I personally think that Bitcoin could be having a retracement all the way back towards 20.5k again. And of course, I still will be saying at the end of the weekend, I still think we're going to trade around to 21.7k, since that is the CME close price. But yeah, there could definitely be some very big volatility over the course of this weekend. More importantly as well, I'm still going to be pointing out, guys, very strong previous support resistance over here. We currently clearly broke above it. We formed a higher high on the 4-hourly time frame, like you can see over here. Higher high on the 4-hourly time frame getting formed, and right now we're confirming an uptrend and we are retesting previous resistance as support. I am extremely excited to look at this level, and I personally see this is not a shorting level. This is not a level where you want to be looking at shorts. So I definitely also don't regret for looking at long positions right now here on the market, because after seeing this confirmation, it is already clear enough what currently is playing out. We're either forming a W pattern here on the market, we're breaking above the neckline and retesting the neckline right now. So these are definitely the levels that you want to be looking at for accumulation in your positions. And personally, I still think there's much more to come, and especially into next week, we are going to see a lot of things coming together, because next week as well, we are going to be having the CPI reports, and that is going to be having a massive effect on the markets. Of course, if I'm also going to look at the bullish events, and you can clearly see here on the chart, CPI reports are going to come on the 13th of July. That is in approximately 3 days away from us right now, so that's pretty close, and that's going to be resulting in a lot of volatility in this market. Currently, the forecast is that the inflation from June is going to be 8.8%, and that's going to be a little bit hotter than previous month, where it was 8.6%. So, if the inflation is going to be higher once again, like last month, it's probably going to result in a little bit more pain to come here. So, please be aware, next week is going to be very volatile, and of course, at the end of July, we're going to get the Federal Reserve meeting, and that is going to be the point where we're going to see the interest rate hike. So yeah, definitely there is some massive volatility on the loop right now. It is coming, and it is around the corner. And last time around, while we did got the CPI reports, that was resulting in a significant correction wave towards the downside. So yeah, this prediction is of course quite bearish. And yeah, hopefully we could be sitting under the 8.8%, but usually the prediction price is very close towards what it actually is, right? So let's see what is going to be playing out. Last time around, they predicted 8.3%, but it was 8.6%. So let's hope that we're still going to sit below 9% at the end of Tuesday, of course. But more importantly, we can look also at the Bullish Events, and the Bullish Events is currently telling us, okay, yeah, once again, we are squeezing the price action in towards this Bullish Events range here, and there is just a massive amount of volatility going to be imminent, just like last time around here. So whether it's going to be up or down, I can definitely say with 100% accuracy that there's going to be a lot of volume, a lot of volatility in the coming week for Bitcoin. So please be aware, next week is going to be an exciting week, and I'm definitely going to be waiting to see which direction we're going to go towards, and that is going to be the direction I will be trading the market as well towards. Currently, I'm still in a long position. I got a stop loss on 20.8k. I am going to be taking some more profits along the way up, if in case we're going to see a little bit of a move up over the course of this weekend. I will keep you guys up to date on the channel what I'm going to do exactly with my trades over here. If you want to be trading just like me, you can of course check out the link in the description where you can see Bybit, and I am currently trading on Bybit with a $4,800 deposit bonus, and you can claim it as well if you sign up with the highest link in the description. But guys, this was already it for today's update video. If you did enjoy it, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for 85,000 subscribers. If you want to be learning how to copy trade, check out the video popping up above right now, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, goodbye.